Today we will be going over these super smooth zoom transitions here in Final Cut Pro. If you are new here, this is a channel for all Final Cut Pro tips, tricks, and plugins. On the screen here is our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find a large quantity of plugins that will help your Final Cut Pro workflow and your process. Some are free and some you have to pay for, but just go check out the site because definitely some of those plugins will definitely help you out in your workflow. Now let's get right into the video for today. Okay, so today will be a very short video. I just want to show you guys a transition pack that will really help you guys out in your workflow. The point of this channel is to try to make these effects and transitions as simple as possible for you, so you can enhance and increase your workflow. So I have 3 clips here. And we're just gonna add transitions to these 3 clips. With these transitions, you're gonna go to your transitions tab right here. And when you download this, the link will be in the description. And you can just place this in your motion templates folder. And then from your motion templates folder, you're going to drag this into your transitions folder. And it will be in B3 Studios transitions. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to place this zoom pan left on this clip. So let's play this back. It's a really nice and smooth transition right there. You can even make adjustments to make this smaller. You can actually increase the blur if you want. Let's make this shorter. Actually increase the length on that one. Yeah, that's better. And we're gonna add zoom pan right, and then we're gonna zoom in panning up for this last clip. And let's just see how this looks on our footage so far. Very smooth. Great transitions. I believe these will really help you guys out in your workflow. You can use these for vlogs. You can use these for music videos. You can use these for a lot of different things as far as creativity in Final Cut Pro. Like I said, I'm not going to waste any of you guys' time. So that was the video for today. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. If this video helped you out, like, subscribe, and comment. Please be sure to check out our website, www.b3-studios.com, where you can find plenty of plugins to help your Final Cut Pro workflow. Yeah, go check that out, and I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.